Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Study Guide by SMA. Hope you all are fine and doing great. Today I'm here with another very important video for all my students who are going to appear in the practical exams, and the topic of the video is the confirmatory test of iodide radical. As you all know that iodide radical basically belongs to the concentrated acid group. I have already uploaded a detailed video on the identification and confirmation of iodide radical. Today I am going to perform it practically so that it will be easy for you to perform in your practical exam. First of all, you have to make the original solution of the salt. Original solution is basically the aqueous solution of the salt. Take small quantity of salt in the test tube and add water in it to make the original solution. After making the original solution, you have to add the silver nitrate in the test tube, and you can see that as soon as I added silver nitrate, yellow precipitates are formed in the test tube. So this is the very important and easy test to identify the iodide radical. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please comment in the comment section, and do like and subscribe my channel if you are new to this channel, and thank you so much for watching.